Pisces, I hope everyone is well. This is going to be a love reading for you guys. If you guys are interested in booking me for a personal reading, my email is down below in the description box. This is a general reading, guys, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this reading does not resonate, check out your other birth placements. Tell me about Pisces' love life, please, Spirit. Tell me what's going on. Page of Pentacles. Did you take a break from someone, Pisces? You definitely took a break from someone. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit funny, guys. I do have a cold. I am ill, so ignore my voice. You walked away from someone, Pisces. I feel as if you haven't walked away from someone, you're in separation with someone right now. You're on a break with this person. They are missing you and they want to come out of this separation. They want to take a risk towards you. They want to speak to you and give you some sort of offer. Right on time. Right on time. As soon as I said that, Ace of Cups came out. Yeah, this person wants to have a new beginning in love with you. If this is new love that you're dealing with, guys, I feel as if you're dealing with new love, this person could have ghosted you because of a loss in their family. So if this is new love and they've ghosted you and you haven't heard from them, you guys haven't been in communication, I feel as if this person is suffering from some sort of pain right now, either a loss of a friend or relative, and they aren't telling you. This person isn't telling you because it's a new connection. They want to put that burden on you. They don't want to they don't want your sympathy. Like, this person is not looking for any sympathy, but this person could be going through something. They do want to offer you love. Like, they do want to offer you a cup of love. They do have feelings for you. They want to have a new beginning with you. But if this is a new person, they are going through something. They could be going through something. That's why they took a break from you and ghosted you. They was distant from you. Sorry, guys. My words are all jumbled up. You guys are definitely not speaking. And I feel as if this person just doesn't even know what to say. Like, my words are getting all jumbled up. I feel as if this person doesn't even know what to say to you, because they could have, like, they know that they've hurt your feelings by ghosting you and leaving. What is going on? I can't get my words out. By ghosting you and leaving you out in the cold, this person knows that they have hurt your feelings and they don't even know what to say. They know that they want to make it up to you. I feel as if when this person talks to you, they're gonna be talking 1,000 miles per minute, like talking really fast. Yeah, this person wants to have commitment with you. This person wants to have commitment with you. They actually want to be in a relationship with you. But I don't feel as if this person is so scared to reach out to you, Pisces, and tell you that they want to, be in a relationship with you. This person sees you as... This person actually sees you as someone they want to show off to their family, the community, friends. They see you as the one. They're divine masculine, they're divine feminine. If this is someone that you already know, I feel as if this person has caught deep feelings for you and they actually love you and they're ready to commit. They're ready to commit to you. This person's ready to commit. Ace of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Like, come on now. This person wants to offer you something stable. They want to offer you a new opportunity. This person is ready for you. Pisces, this person is ready for you. Let me pull some additional messages just to see the status of this connection, this relationship right now. Tell me the status of this connection, please, Spirit. We have just for fun, good times, good company, getting out the house and enjoying yourself. So some of you guys, you haven't... So for some of you guys who are in separation with this person, or you and this person are just taking a break from each other, you haven't heard from one another in like a couple of days or a couple of weeks, you haven't heard from each other. I feel as if you're not really paying this situation any mind. Some of you guys ain't paying this situation any mind. You're just like going with the flow, surrounding yourself with good company, keeping up with routines. Especially if you're very religious, like with the higher, especially if you're very religious, like you're keeping up with like routines, like going to church, going to your religious institution, studying if you're in school, picking up a new hobby as well. I feel as if you guys are just getting out the house, like shopping, enjoying yourself, just having good times. Not trying to stress over this person and the fact that you haven't heard from them, or the fact that you guys are not really speaking right now, you're on a break. They are ready to take a risk towards you though, Pisces. We have secret admirer. Yes, I'm watching. So this person has been keeping an eye out on you guys while you've disconnected. They've been watching you. And we have let's try this. Willing and wants to put in the effort to see where things will go. Yeah, this person is definitely interested in you, Pisces. There's no doubt about that. This person is ready. I feel as if this person is ready. Page of Pentacles, they may still have a lot to learn. This person with the Page of Pentacles and the Fool card, this person could be younger than you, or this person could be very immature when it comes to communication, or like setting rules, or being clear on what they want. So sometimes you guys may find it hard to communicate with this person because they hold back. They don't really open up that much, or they wasn't clear on what they wanted before in the past. But the Page of Pentacles is actually my favorite page out of the deck. I love that card. Like, the Page of Pentacles is my favorite page because the Page of Pentacles is someone who is dedicated, someone who is willing to learn, someone who is loyal, someone who is a star student, someone who is ambitious, like ready to pick something up. And they pick something up quite quickly. And that could be this person's personality as well, Pisces. And I feel as if that's the person that you're dealing with. Definitely could be this person's personality. They are ready. Like, let me see what's at the bottom of the deck. See, look, at the bottom of the deck, Pisces, we have open and ready. Like, literally, this person is open and ready to be in a relationship with you. And open and ready to be verbal. If this person is like the quiet type, if you're dealing with the quiet type, this person is ready to speak up. I don't know why I'm picking this up, but some of you guys are dealing with someone who is actually quite quiet. They keep themselves to themselves. Like, you may be the more outgoing one. I don't know why. That's a message for someone. Some of you guys, your person is kind of quiet. But they're ready. They're ready for you, Pisces. Like, so no stress, no rush, no stress. You guys are in a good energy anyway. Some of you guys are a bit sad over this separation. You are missing this person, but keeping up with your routines and staying focused on what's important is really good. And I see you guys in like a good energy. So you don't really have anything to worry about because this person is coming your way. So this is what I have for you, Pisces. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, Pisces.